Hey, what's going on YouTube family and friends? This is Bear Brown. Thanks for coming to my garden channel today, where I'm here helping you grow something tasty. In today's video, I'm going to give you an update on how to grow watermelons in a unique way. And that way is growing out of store-bought bag of compost. That's right, everyone wanted to get an update, and this is it. So let's get right into it. And I got one small correction I need to make, but other than that, it looks great. So come check it out. All right, here's the watermelon plant. I put one watermelon plant in this big bag of compost. As you can see, it's nice and green. And if you look real close, you don't see any pest pressure from squash bugs or any kind of other bugs. It's looking very, very healthy. It's nice and green. Check this bad baby out. That's right, growing in a bag. Now, the thing that we have to correct is I put too many holes in the compost, and so when it's nice and fresh, there are a ton of ants crawling all over it. But I want to go ahead and correct that, so I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna do. Now, I also want to show you, I didn't show you this last time, this is the ratio, the N, P, and K. So it has the 9-month supply, but this fertilizer is doing a great job, as you can tell. So it is working so far. So let's go ahead and fix the little issue, but look at that plant. Watch it grow. Now I have another container that I'm gonna use to put my food scraps in here. Remember, I got carried away and I put holes all over the place. So what we're gonna do to correct that, I'm only gonna put 2 holes in the container, so that it's going to be a slower release of all the good nutrients, and that is going to make sure that I still have some water at the base of it. So chances are, once it breaks down, I don't have a lot of ants just crawling all over it. So I'm trying to make sure we take care of that. So let's go right into it. So I already got this warmed up. All I'm gonna do is poke my hole in it. I'm gonna go 1, and then on the other side, I'm gonna put it right here. This is gonna guarantee that I'm still gonna have water in the bottom of it. Try to make it uncomfortable for the pests, for the ants. I'll stick that back down in here. So we might as well go ahead and I'll put some of the food scraps. And guess what? I got watermelon rinds. I just had a watermelon. So I'm gonna go ahead and fertilize with watermelons. So I got a lot of compost to put in. And this is a great way of using all your food scraps. All right, so I'm gonna get that in there. Oh, yep, slow release. Alright, that should do the trick. So come in and take a look. Alright, so now the water is slowly seeping into the root zones and making it nice and moist, but it's going to be a lot slower, and that plant is going to actually enjoy the slow release. See, I got ants on the side, but they're not going to go in there with all that water slowly draining out, and I keep the water down. So that is the fix. So on to the next thing. All right, now all I got to do is put my cap on top of it. Now, if you think you might want to try this out, I'm showing you that it's fairly simple. And I didn't say this the last video. If you have older parents or someone you know that's older and they can't really work the land anymore because of their age and any ailments, if you take them shopping and go pick up the bags of compost and lay it down for them, they should be able to do everything else, and they're gonna be excited that, hey, I can actually work in the garden. This is using a different way, a unique way, but you can see it's gonna work. So you might want to share this information with somebody that's older, or for someone that don't have a backyard or cannot dig in the backyard. Lay these compost bags out and you can grow a variety of things, even watermelon. So I'll check back with you so that you can see the progress. just let me know if you want me to go every couple weeks, but I'll just let you know when I have a watermelon on it, and we'll be good to go. And in the end, I'm going to put all my watermelon videos up here and here. And also, if you're having trouble with squash bugs, I did a video last week, and I'll put that down in the bottom corner. And if this is your first time, you want to see how to actually get this going, I will put one in this corner for the video that took place before this one. All right, so take care. This is Bear Brown, and remember, we can grow in different ways, but let's remember to grow something tasty. All right, see you later. Bye.